so here is Kaniki. He's looking at the rain. He's the only brave kitty. All of them have run and they've hidden. And so look at it. I don't know if you can see it, but can you hear it? Wow, we had some big thunder and we had hail. We had a hailstorm. My gosh. What is that, Kaniki? That's the rain. That's the rain. We just had lightning. Oh my gosh. There's two little dogs that are running around out there that someone dropped off in our neighborhood. So worried about them. Oh my goodness. Look at that. The water has collected in the gutters so quickly. I don't know if you can see some of the ice on the driveway. Looks like, oh, it's still hailing. There's ice bouncing off my car. Wow. Boy, it's a good thing it didn't rain like this on Halloween. Oh my gosh. Aw, I hope those two little doggies are okay. We don't have anywhere to put them. We thought we could put them in the garage with the kitties in there, well, Tiger and his little friends, but Joey says they have to learn to get along anyways, but I don't know. Hopefully they're hiding somewhere under a vehicle. Wow. I mean, I was wearing shorts and flip-flops just 2 days ago, and now it's really cold. They're getting snow in the local mountains, too. Calming down a little. It's still raining steadily, but just a little, it's calming down. Okay, so Kaniki has gone somewhere else. I've just been in the kitchen here cleaning the shutters and stuff, and boy, did it really pour. And Joey got his yard work done just in time, thank goodness. Okay, it's calming down, but there's still more to come. You can see the ice on the driveway there. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oops. Lightning, you guys. Thunder follows lightning. Yikes. That was long. Did you hear that? Okay. All right. Hope everyone has a good day. Bye.